TV. Ni ndaigira ni thaa mugwanja cigirite wega cia miaraho huko ni kwa Murata wa Ngai TV ngeto muciri wa Mwangi miaraho ya muthenya wa umuthi kwirwo atia kwanyu na no ratirithia ndoka tumulika riboti ya twendekete huko harire ithaini riri ni mohoro fefere na tukiambiriria aikiaria hindi ya kuhinga kigomano kia mabũrũri 11 maria mariganetie na iria President William Ruto yokeriria ng'ethanĩri ake akiuga ono inegene akiuga bũrũri ni ukorete na njĩra nene. President augĩte kigomano gĩkĩ kĩrĩa kĩhanĩkĩte Kenya kĩhanĩkĩte ni ũkũria mwega wa mabũrũri ma nja makĩenda kũigithia gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Riboti na mwandĩki wa Mohoro.
Ache porojo na propaganda na fitina nyingi na matusi ambayo hayana maana. Tuwe na mpango bana, tuwe na sera. Ukiangalia katika vyombo vya habari huwezi hata kujua kwamba kuna conference kubwa ya kimataifa inaendelea Mombasa. Kule kwa vyombo vya habari ni matusi, fitina na vitu mambo madogo madogo. Haya mambo yote hayafanyiki kwa mzaha ama kwa bahati ama kwa makosa. Yanafanyika kwa mpango. Na kwa sababu dunia nzima iko na heshima na ile kazi tunayofanya kama serikali na wananchi wa taifa letu la Kenya. The world has one honest option: to turn political promise into real action, to green our ports, drive blue-green industrialization, create high-value and dignified jobs.
The challenge our ocean faces, from the existential threat of climate change to the rapid loss of biodiversity, are global in nature, so they demand global solutions and global action.
This conference, Your Excellency, has shown us something important. The ocean is not one subsector. It is a living system where climate, security, fisheries, transport, infrastructure, pollution, and community leadership converge.
We have started and we are embarking on a waste program for recycling, something that is all connected to do with ensuring that we have zero emission of plastics and waste in our oceans.
Na tukithii na mbere ni ati mutongoria wa kĩama kĩa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka na ũrĩa nĩ mutongoria wa gĩkundi kĩa mawakiri cira-inĩ wa wendia wa igai rĩa mũingĩ Safaricom nĩandĩkĩire president wa igoti rĩa gũcokia cira riko gũtetia ũrĩa igoti rĩatwarithia cira ũcio. Kalonzo arauga kũrĩ na kadi hithanie igoti-inĩ rĩrĩ na kũhe thirikari.
I am telling the Court of Appeal, this is not just sinister. It is an affront to the sovereignty of the people, which is guaranteed by the Constitution of Kenya, that all power resides with the people. And why we come to the court as the people is when we are not satisfied with the government. We want the courts to adjudicate. We are not in the forest fighting for Safaricom. We are the High Court, in front of a bench of 3 judges, competent judges, who have given us a hearing date on the 29th, 11 days from now. Why is the Court of Appeal prepared to just vacate the conservatory orders, sell it overnight, and therefore the people of Kenya will never have known what the High Court would have said about the illegal sale of this case, because it would have been overtaken by events.
So we don't understand the hurry to try to vacate those orders in order to make way for the quick sale. We believe that if the Court of Appeal takes a decision today to lift those conservatory orders, then you can be sure that Safaricom will be sold today Okay? And I think that is the intention.
We are not scared, we are not intimidated. We are simply saying that we have a right to be heard. If Safaricom has to be sold, why can't we allow the High Court to speak and express itself on the petition before it in 11 days' time? And therefore, just to record the protest and to say we are going to court, but we are going to register our protest, and this will not stop here. We are going all the way up to the Supreme Court and to the general election of 2027 against the illegal sale of the Safaricom company.
Kenyans are concerned about the heritage. These are heritage corporations. And if they're all privatized and sold at a song, then what future are we handing to Kenyan children?
So I'm saying that I will be writing a letter to the United Alternative Government. I will be asking them to give a protest letter to Vodacom International for buyer beware. Anybody who continues to act outside the Constitution, then we must leave open the window that later when power changes in this country, we must be able to revisit this Safaricom matter. And I will be asking friends in the opposition to take this matter now beyond the courtrooms, because when a court doesn't want to give justice.
Na tukithi na mbere na Minister wa Ukui David Churchill ni umiritie na gutheria mubango wa thirikari wa kwaramia na gwa kaberu kiaro kia JKIA nderetire tumurite wale mwari bururi-ini wothe. Churchill augite kandarathi ino uria mamiarire ndugikiria ciringi bilioni 154 na guteanire mihuhu ate kandarathi iyo etanyitwo kuhuthira ciringi bilioni 374 kwa kiuga ati ici ni ndeto itarejekire mukode na kiuga kivayo wa bururi wa Zimbabwe onake ndamuyi na ndari amwona.
Government does not anticipate the contract award to exceed 154.2. We don't know this gentleman. I saw him for the first time in the media myself. He's not in any of our documentations, be it as a bidder or as a partner to any of the bidders. So maybe you need to help us, because we do expect the procurement team, which was constituted in line with the law, to finalize their work sometimes next week, and therefore submit the report to the procuring entity. We wish to inform Kenyans that the current terminal will be expanded from 7.5 million passenger capacity current to 12 million, and the new terminal will handle 10 million passengers per year.
Na tukithi na mbere ni ati MC wa Kameno Honorable Peter Buru ni okiriire mubunge wa Thika Alice Ng'ang'a thutha wa kuoya mbica agiteithia atumia aria maremetwo kuriha biru cia thibitari wa Ruiru level 4. Riboti ino reketwamukire kuria mwandĩkĩtwo wa Mohoro.
Kugo andu aria kigu ni mathirire niguo kana tiguo. Kama hao wanataka kutusaidia, waturudishie linda mama ya wamama. Niguo kana tiguo. Wakati kulikuwa na linda mama, ilikuwa inalinda hao wamama wakienda hospitali wanasaidika. Lakini sasa waliondoa linda mama, wakaleta mambo zao. Sasa wakati mambo imeharibika, ati anaenda kujipiga picha, anatoa wamama. Hata kitu hajui. Serikali ya kaunti kila wiki huwa inaondolea watu ambao hawajiwezi kulipa bill. Niguo kana tiguo. Thibitari cia Kiambu ni iraruta wira. Kama hawa wabunge wanataka kusaidia wale wagonjwa wako hospitali, waende kule kwa Ministry ya Health, walete pesa yetu ya SHA iletwe hapa kwa hospitali. Niguo kana tiguo. Wana bodaboda hoye. Mimi niwaulize, thitinyo muthiaga thibitari citu na mutikahenie, zinafanya kazi ama hazifanyi? Wamatangi amejaribu ama hajajaribu? Ndiramero ndi haha Gikuyu na ndimoi Gikuyu ni kwao. Niguo kana tiguo. Sisi hatuogopi tukisema tukiwa hapa Kikuyu ya kwamba Kikuyu ni ya Kimani wa Matangi. Niguo kana tiguo. Niguo kana tiguo. ene mwe gavana ni arugamite mubunge wa Gikuyu ni muko mukimenya uguo koguo gavana Gikuyu kuria ambiririe siasa ne musie no mukihure mwana wa musie nywe wa Matangi anatosha atoshi. Ya mwisho, nyinyi watu wa bodaboda wamezoea kuwatumia vibaya kule kwa siasa, lakini sasa kumekuja mkombozi wa kuwatumia vizuri na ni Kimani wa Matangi. No murekia muthuri uyu anatosha ama atoshi? Haya basi, harambe harambe wa Matangi 5 tena.
Na tugethie na mbere ni ati hindi ya uheani wa basari mwena wa Gĩcũgũ kaunti ya Kirinyaga arutwo 1,700 ni magunikite no teithio uyu kuri arutwo kana murutwo akiamukira ciringi 5,000 cia mathomo undu uria utanyitwo gukwamura mathomo mwena uyu. Aciari na anyiti itemi ni mokiriire njatukano iria ikoretwo ho thirikari ni makiuga ni itigaga arutwo hatikaini. Riboti ino na mwandiki witu wa Mohoro.
Ndemo kuire kigina na teke nini tondo kabari marabero ngirieno njokene marabero ngirieno kabari karumande marabo ngirigere na magana na ndokaba na makiria mashiringi ngirinya na magana 5 hayo wagire monjere ndi matangathire ni shiringi ngiriitha na sekiete karoge yande ko omonde be mwali
kuna masira macio ni aciari mabinyirikaga aciari taito turi aciari mami baba mito ni marabinyirika makithomithia cianira nini irirathi cukuru tondu thirikari mbeca ni bithete mbeca pio itirakinya ugo macinani
itwarie ko basari ino kurigana muturia tukwa tuturite ni tugiaga na gikeno kinene na muciari akigwa ena thayu makiri mutani ndurite na mawathe ndanyita basari teno ningaigwa ni ndaburukio murigo muritu na ngaigwa ndira gike bari thina mutheri andu mageragio ura megwika nigu mwana acoke na no mathina gwaka kuthaithana cukuru
na no twende muno mundu ta MCA witu agakorwo na basari yake akatengerwo mbeca ciake ni ngavana akabeana ciake na ona nginya wimeni ya muna batu kwa na basari
no na inywe kora National Assembly mutigatu binyagiriro na ithu tubana aremia nini tubana MCA ni nde na interest ko munya MP urieku nde na interest yo gutwika ngavana omonde kana rocio no ni tubeaga rutha ungekwa MP ni rabeana cia university na college na ciana iria ingi oni tuturekereru ciana ciondo na ithu tukabeaga mbeca
na kumana na ripoti hiyo tukopa tuikirio hanini tukudio tumaye gicokereria njoka na ripoti makeria.
Eno ni Murata wa Ngai TV.
Nidakugeithia mwiroreri na muthikiriria wa Murata wa Ngai ngakihoko kiri mwega ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru hwa-ini tuka hawitira mahoya ma o mweri maria magakorwo tariki 3 mweri wa mugwanja wa mwaka wa 2026.
Mahoya maya magakorwo kule kanitha-ini wa Theophilustv Church Jathaini itura ria Gomongo Marurui kurigania na barabara ya Northern Bypass.
Theme ya mahoya maya igakorwo ari kuhoera mathukuru maitu igongona rinene riria rigatongorio ni Archbishop Dr. John Githiri.
Makambĩrĩria thinashara cia ruci-ini o guthii na mbere
ni ugoka tuhoere mathukuru maitu turi hamwe.
We mwega mwiroreri wa Murata wa Ngai TV niturakwa ni wa gift kana mere wa gift furniture kuria murera darasa negenagio ni TV nira kumirorera kabada sekonda ciara ko ndi ciguaga wega ndiratunyitirira kwa jithu turerera twika kwirorera na nigetha tuthie na mbere ona yokire ukure ngikura nayo. Kaitu Murata.